Good morning. Welcome to this cutie pie wild animal feeding here. As you can do just a few video here. It's just so cute interaction of this cutie pie. So I think look at this. I think the red chipmunk here. Oh, there's a midnight squirrel. There's a bunch of them here. This is the whole gang. Look at this guy. I tell you, yeah, he's the best feeding here. These are probably mummy chipmunks. I think they sleep under the pot somewhere, and they just come out and gather the food for her young here. Okay. Oops. Oh. Look at that cutie pie, the face. I love them and passionate about their being here, and I'm feeding them kaya daily as a treat here. Ooh, cute. Oh, here is the bedrocks that they all come in the morning. Okay. In the backyard here. Oh, this guy. Look at this. I try to just kayak. Aww. So this is a tiny bird. I think it's called chickadee. I think. I give them kind of bird feed. There are different kind of grain that birds also love as well. And here again, they're just kind of busy this morning. The gray one probably come a little bit later. They're kind of taking turn here. Okay. Who on the top of the feeder there? I think a tiny bird up there. So we have a lot of activity running up and down. Sometimes because kind of interesting episodes as well. I don't know if squirrels are territorial or not. Maybe they are, but they're chasing each other around, you know. Okay. I think this is just perfect spot for them to gather. Oh. Who is now? It's the midnight squirrel, I call him. Oh, we are from up north in Canada up here, so we have our region, we have black squirrel. Yep, the whole gang. I think they live nearby here, but they know the time, the morning time, they always come out and have their trees here. Yeah, it's now the time for this kind of midnight squirrel. The gray one will come a bit later. Oh. Some kind of running around over there, some episode or kind of exercise activity, which is great for them. Good exercise, right? Yeah. So I've been feeding them for a few years. I just might share this lovely moment with everyone.